All right, Mr. Buday, let's take a look at what we worked on during your last golf lesson. So here on the left is the before swing. Let's take a look as we swing back. Arms kind of just lifting to the top. Club gets in this almost very like John Daly-esque motion where it's going below the shoulders. Right here, it's all arms still, not much lower body. We end up kind of flipping at it, and there's a loss of arm structure as we come through. Now let's take a look at the drill we're doing. So this is I call it a ball drill. Typically it's done with a ball. You can refer to the link that I'll send in my email. So if you want to order this, the ball. And as we swing back, we're using a head cover here, trying to keep your arms close together. So here we go. So we start moving back. It looks like we're using a little bit more of the body to make the golf swing. You can see the club stays a little bit more shorter of parallel. I actually prefer that. I think that's better for you. As we start down, you have to utilize more of your body because your arms are basically locked in together. Now we come into the strike. That looks much cleaner. And then we come through, and here's kind of the key difference when you look at these two positions. So the swing on the left versus the swing on the right, you can see you're using more of your body efficiently. Right arm looks a little bit like in a better position. And if you look at your right foot, you can see it's more in a toe down, heel up, whereas on the right, on the left, it looks like you're more flat footed. So some big changes there. I definitely love that drill for you. In this final clip, we're taking a look at a down the line perspective of your golf swing. And on the left, we have the before. So as we watch you go back, the arms just basically work away from the body and lift. You can see the club outside of the triangle or swing plane. We get to the top and the arms just kind of fold up, ends up almost a bit too far past parallel. And we're gonna come back down steeply at this golf ball, swinging hard and left, trying to flip the hands to save it. Now let's take a look over here in a practice swing. So now we're trying to use some of those feels we had from that ball between the arms. Arms trying to stay closer together. Probably could still use a lot more hip turn at this point in time, but still way better than where it was. Here we are at the top. It is a much shorter top of the golf swing. And now you're trying to feel like the club just drops into your right hip. And now you're free to just turn from there. So much different in regard to the path that you're making. You can see more of how your body's moving. Definitely just looks a lot more smooth, a lot more athletic. So some very good positives that come from this exercise. So your big key today from this lesson was use that ball drill. I think it's going to help you tremendously in your golf swing.